I'm Jade Wilson and I'm studying musical theatre. Well, I had a few friends who were doing the musical theatre course the year before, and I heard from them it was really good. So when I came on the open day, it was like everything I really wanted in the course. So the structure of it, like the units we were doing, how we were taught. So like we were having like one-on-one singing sessions with our tutors, and like our tutors were in the industry before they came to teach here, and that was just like really appealed to me. The reason I really wanted to come here is because I think it's stepping outside my small town, number one. There's loads of theatre connections with Brighton, especially for this course. The New York trip, I was like, definitely want to go to that, because we were doing workshops, we saw Broadway shows, and it was like just to meet new people, and I think this was generally the best course for musical theatre around, so that's why I chose it. But it wasn't only just going to New York and seeing the shows and having fun. Like, we did dance workshops, we did singing workshops, we did Q&As. Like, we learnt so much on the trip. Like, I'm so happy I went on it. But yeah, our singing teacher Claire, she's actually an agent, so it's great because she's given us knowledge about like how to actually approach an agent and speak to them. And then Louise and Frankie, they've been in the industry. They both, Louise owns a dance school and Frankie teaches it, so it's just great, especially because some of us want to go into teaching musical theatre as well. It's just really good knowledge. Yeah, when we applied and we got our interview, it was an audition. So for the musical theatre course, we had to sing a song. For the actors, I think they had to do monologue. For dancers, they had to do dance. But yeah, I remember I sang Paul from the Addams Family, and I think we got halfway through it and they were like, yeah, and they offered me like conditional place, I think, yeah. Every project we have like research and an evaluation, but it's literally something you can do in like a week. But it's not something you dread doing, because it's actually reflecting and saying like, what have I done well, what have I done bad, what am I going to do next time? It's not something you dread writing, because it's actually helpful. When we did Spelling Bee last year, we actually did scrapbook, and it was so fun because it was like you could like decorate, and it didn't make it like a hard task. It made it fun. I was like looking forward to doing it. Yeah. So yeah, get into a drama school, work on my skills, enjoy what I'm doing, and then go into the industry. That's what I want to do, enjoy what I'm doing. Yeah.